This is our PowerPoint about video-assisted learning for our group project, and it's by Annabelle Guerrero and Sarah Bianco. For our technology, we chose video-assisted learning. This technology is the gathering of information and knowledge by watching videos. After Corona struck the world hard in 2020, schools were forced to go to an online learning format. This allowed video-assisted learning to become a big trend for teachers to help their students stay on task and engaged in all of their schoolwork. This way of learning is used in school settings as well as the workplace. It is commonly used in school for an online class, but it can also be used in person. The instructor will provide his or her class with some sort of video, whether it is a fun YouTube video to grab the attention of the students and make class a little more fun or interesting, or it can be a pre-recorded lecture so that the students feel that they are still in the class to keep them engaged and help them learn the best that they can. When I was doing some research, I came across a lot of articles where this trend of learning was used in medical research. These professionals were studied by being given a step-by-step video to watch how a procedure is done and use that information plus prior knowledge to perform the task themselves. It was shown that this way of learning was very effective and efficient.
There are different advantages and disadvantages that come along with video-assisted learning. Some advantages would be that there is evidence that has shown that interactive features added to video players enhance student engagement and achievement. Videos are also able to feature various elements such as visual, auditory, and social cues which help with different learning styles, and they can also receive experiences that are similar to instructor-led courses. Some disadvantages would be that not all students and workers attain information with that style of teaching. Some do not benefit from interactive video features, some do not know how to use them, and some simply do not take advantage of those features. Also, when you are not being taught in person physically by an instructor, you do not connect with them the same as you would in person. And finally, cognitive effort must be exerted in order to get an in-depth learning experience. As technology increases and we are finding new styles and features of video-assisted learning, it is bound to be a way of our future. Video lectures have been recognized as an effective way to teach students new coursework because they have such a wide variety of benefits. There are different video-based learning programs, but the most popular would be online courses and blended courses. Video-assisted learning is a base for both these styles of coursework. New styles of video-assisted learning are being thought of every day and are being tested to prove productivity and learning going forward.
I believe that I fall under the category of early adopters when it comes to this way of learning because I am open to learning more and am not afraid of it. I learned a lot after researching this technology. I would have never known that in the medical field they use video-assisted learning to help teach their doctors how to do procedures. I already use this trend a lot in school.
I agree with Annabelle that I fall under the category of early adopters. I have always done better with online classes and video-assisted learning. I received my AA from taking all online classes. I also recently started a new job with USAA and had to get my license for homeowners insurance, and it was all done online. I have also always been a visual learner, so I often watch videos on YouTube to see a guide-by-guide of what I need before attempting anything new.